Wanna know how to change your username or your name in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you are provided with this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. Just simply select it. And now once you've selected your profile, here you should be seeing settings that should be right beside invite. So you can just simply select it. And once you look at settings, here you should be seeing your workspace settings on new window popping up. So here you should be seeing your workspace name as well. So your full workspace name, and this is visible to others. So you can just simply name it to something else. And once that is done, you can just simply select update right here, and your workspace name should be updated just like this. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.